When it comes to home loans, another group is also reporting that it's getting easier for home buyers. The Mortgage Bankers Association says there's been an increase in lending to people with lower credit scores. And as Diana Olick reports, it may be because rising mortgage rates are making it more difficult for lenders to find business.
You would think that as buyers return to the housing market, mortgage bankers would be busier than ever, but that is not the case. Mortgage applications are now down 47% from a year ago, driven by a 59% drop in refinances, a direct result of the sharp jump in mortgage rates. Bankers who had been struggling to keep up with demand are now suddenly seeking it, and to get it, they are easing up on the underwriting. Credit availability rose 2.2% in July month to month and is up 3% from May, according to a new survey from the Mortgage Bankers Association. The increase was primarily driven by more cash-out refinancings and more loans for borrowers with larger loan balances or lower credit scores. A Federal Reserve survey of senior loan officers reported the same.
Lenders had a huge backlog of high-quality refinance loans that they finally worked through. During that time, they may not have focused on other loans that might have been more intensive in terms of underwriting.
Craig Strent, a non-bank lender in Maryland, says quality control is still tight, but lenders had put extra constraints on lending just to be able to keep up with the refi boom. Now they're taking those extras away.
As rates have risen and that refinance volume has dropped, they're now turning their attention to other borrowers.
Refinances are now just 63% of all mortgage applications. They had hit a high of 84% in December of last year when mortgage rates hit new record lows. One of the biggest changes noted in the Mortgage Bankers report is that cash-out refis are coming back. This, of course, because as home prices rise, home equity returns. But what's so interesting is that despite getting burned before, so many borrowers are still willing to pull cash out of their homes the minute it comes back in. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.